Karachi, once synonymous with street crime, has witnessed measurable improvements. Vehicular snatching, theft is down from 256 to 176 cases daily. Violent robberies in a city of more than 20 million people is reduced to just less than one incident per day. Detection rate for street crime has rose to 81%. In Kacha area, 31 hardened criminals were neutralized in this current financial year. 400 dacoits were arrested. 775 honey trap abduction cases prevented. And kidnapping cases reduced from 35 to just 7. Our war against narcotics has yielded significant results in 24-25 with 18,000 plus drug-related cases registered, 21,700 people arrested, 83 FIRs lodged for drug peddling on campuses, 33 online drug dealers are arrested. We are not only arresting criminals, we are defending the future of our youth. In the counter-terrorism sector, we have made 42 strategic arrests and operational the CTD Fusion Center. The Sindh Smart Surveillance System S4 now operates on 42 toll plazas with artificial intelligence-powered cameras. Highway Patrol project covers 40 beats, soon scaling to 2,153 kilometers with 1,900 officers and 92 patrol vehicles. For traffic reforms, we are introducing faceless e-ticketing with 550 cameras, and this will reach to 1,300 cameras by December 2025. GPS tracking cameras, enforcement and mandatory driver education, 100,000 plus e-driving license issued in 3 months. Demerit point system introduced for repeat offenders. These are the steps that we have taken to modernize traffic reforms. To strengthen justice delivery, 50 crime units have been deployed, 215 plus investigative officers trained in modern forensics, police station record management system now linked to courts and labs. Experience in investigation is now a criteria for promotion. Strengthening the police recruitment and welfare, so we've done